Hello everyone, I'm back here at Rushmore. Rushmore is a beautiful woodland park on this huge estate on the border of Wiltshire and Dorset. We're on the east side of the woodland and I've just discovered this beech avenue. Look at that, look at the light. The coppery and the bronze colours in the foreground, and then it's fading out to the forest greens, sort of piney greens. I've just come across a honey bee nest on this huge beech tree with the sunlight beaming on it. It's so celestial, isn't it? But also what I've discovered is these amazing fungi growing out of the side of the tree trunk. I have no idea what they're called, but aren't they beautiful? Let's try. I'm not going to go too close to the beehive. There we go. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so I can't stay here for long, but there they are. But what's beautiful as well is the sunlight just hits them on the tops. So if anyone knows what these are called, are they poisonous? Can you eat them? They're so stunning, I wouldn't want to knock these down anyway. A beautiful, natural food that lives in the beech tree. Just below it, there, look how scarlet red they are, the deadly nightshade. There, you can see them going into their hive. Making the honey. And if I go back, I'm just going to go back. Right, so I'm going to go back over here and just show you from a distance how beautiful this looks like with the sun. Look at that, with the sun on it. Golden light hitting the fungi and the beehive at Rushmore Woods.